Hey everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. Today I am going over this asbestos test kit made by ProLab. So I have a project coming up, guys, that involves removing old popcorn ceilings, and the house was built in 1978. So the FDA pretty much banned asbestos use in stuff like popcorn ceilings and insulation, stuff like that in 1979. But they allowed people to sell their overstock, like their surplus that they already had on hand. So you could possibly find it in houses up to like 86 and stuff like that, guys. So you always want to be careful when you're messing with older home stuff, because you do not want to breathe in asbestos, guys. So I don't want to second guess it. Just went down into my local Ace Hardware store. You can pick these up at Lowe's and Home Depot and online, guys. But I like these ProLab kinds. So this is the asbestos test kit, and it says you collect the samples and they will analyze them. You'll get an email or a text result within 1 week. There is a free expert consultation available, and there's a $40 fee required for the approved lab method results of 2 samples. So let's go ahead and pop this little kit open. It says that it comes with instructions, face mask and gloves, sampling containers, and the prepaid return mailer, guys. So this was $9.99 in store at Ace Hardware, and that's just to get the little kit and all. But then, like I said, you still have to pay $40 for the lab results. So let's go ahead and open up right here, see what we have inside. Now, as you can see, it's going to make you fill this little thing out right here. So you send it with it, and you'll have to send like your credit card, debit card information, whatever you got, or you can send a check, all that good stuff right there, guys. So let's go ahead and see what we have here in this little baggie. All right, so here is our little sample bags right there. That is sample B, and this is sample A bag right here, guys. So you collect 2 samples at one time. So say if you just want to be double sure, you can collect a little piece from, like, say, your kitchen, and you collect another piece from a bedroom or something in the house, guys, and just make sure you label where you got that from. Now, it comes with a kind of a, in my opinion, that's a crappy mask to be scraping something that you may or may not think is asbestos. So if you want to, guys, get you a nice respirator that is rated for asbestos. Even the like top of the line N95 mask won't filter out asbestos particles, guys. We're talking microscopic particles that can wreak some real havoc on your breathing system, guys. And it comes with some gloves right here. And then you got your prepaid envelope, guys, that you put everything in and send it off. So simple as that. And you also download their app, or you can just scan on the back right there and pull up their app right there, guys. And that is how you will get your results. Now, it does say in bold letters that they do not accept vermiculite samples from the state of New York, because New York considers all vermiculite samples to be contaminated with asbestos, guys. So sorry out there if you're from New York. I'm sure there's other ways that you can get stuff tested. So let's go ahead and get our little samples from the ceilings, and we'll get this stuff packaged up and mailed off. Alright, so now we just need to follow the simple instructions, guys. It says locate the sample locations, and you want to do that in like a conspicuous area. You don't want to do it like in the middle of the room. I'm just going to do it up here in the corner over here, guys, just a little piece. And it says that make sure that you wet it down, guys, and it even has a little mixture that you can use right here with soapy water and stuff like that. And it says to use a 1x1 piece and use either a razor knife, or you can use like a little scraper or something like that, guys. So you want to go ahead and get that stuff wet. You don't want to just soak it like crazy, but you do want to keep it wet to prevent any fibers from going airborne when you go to cut out your little piece, right? So we're going to go ahead and take our little sample from the corner up here now. Guys, so now I have both of my samples. I need to label. This is sample A. I got this out of the living room, guys. And this is sample B. Got this out of my kitchen. As you can see, this right here just kind of crumbled as I got it in there and been moving the bag around a little bit. But this one right here stayed intact pretty good. That's what they kind of want you to send in, like a 1x1 type of piece like that right there, guys. So hopefully they'll be able to analyze all the little crumbs from the popcorn as it just kind of fell apart, guys. So we're going to get this card filled out, send this stuff in, download the app, and when we come back, we should have our results in. Alright guys, so it's been 5 business days. We finally got our results emailed to us. It comes in this nice little email from Pro Labs right here, guys. Shows you your locations that you tested right here, like I did my living room and my kitchen. And then I went over to here where it says asbestos mineral percentages, right? And you got all the different types of minerals that'll be found, a link to asbestos material, you know. 0% on everything, guys, like none at all. And then right here, it's got comments, right? So it's going to tell you what is made out of. So you got cellulose, mica, and binders in both samples. Now, cellulose is usually like the insulation maybe from your attic when you cut your piece of sheetrock out for the send in. It's got 30% mica and a 68% binders on one, and then you got 50, 20, 30 breakdown on the other. Now, I was a little confused at first. You know, I didn't really know how to read this chart right here saying ND at the end and, you know, all that. So all you've got to do is just call their customer service number. They will ask for your batch number that they send you guys, and they can just quickly explain it to you right there over the phone if you have that trouble. So now we can get started on scraping these ceilings. Alright guys, so now I got confirmation that my popcorn ceilings do not contain asbestos, so I am ready to get this ugly junk off. And there we go, guys. Got all of this ugly popcorn off in this one room right here that I've started in. I'm going to go around my entire house. But yeah, that easy, guys. So also have another video on the channel coming up about removing popcorn ceilings. So be sure to check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to always use a test kit, guys. It's always better to be safe than sorry. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.